Okay, look at this picture and read after me. 先生，先生，先生。Pay attention to the neutral tone. Just using a slight pitch in your voice is okay. Read after me again. 先生，小姐，小姐。Wang and Li are two of the most common Chinese family names. So we say Wang 先生，李小姐。You already know my family name is Yin, so you can call me. Right, Yin 小姐。In Chinese, 先生 and 小姐 can be put after a full name. 王丽先生，罗兰小姐。And you can also call me Becky 小姐。Now that we've started part of the dialogue, let's listen to that part of the dialogue between Wang Li 先生 and 罗兰小姐 again.
先生，您贵姓？
免贵姓王，我叫王丽。
Let's do a practice. Suppose a man is meeting with a lady for the first time, and the man asks for the lady's name.
小姐，您贵姓？
免贵姓王，我叫王兰。Okay, look. Which city is it? Right, Beijing, the capital city of China. Please pay attention to the tones. It's not Beijing, but Beijing. Let's take a look at more places. In our dialogue, Wang Li 先生 is from here. Shanghai. Pay attention to the tones. Shanghai. Shanghai is one of the biggest cities in China. Very beautiful night scene. In this place, it's also beautiful at night. Which country is it? France. In Chinese, we say 法国. France. 法国. Fa is related to the pronunciation of France. 国 means country. Makes sense, doesn't it? You will learn more about it in the following lessons. Okay, read these places after me. 北京, 上海, 法国. Do you have any friends from these places? You can say he or she is 北京人, 上海人, 法国人. Ren means people or person. When Ren is put after the name of the place, it refers to the person from that very place. Read after me again. 北京人, 上海人, 法国人. I'm from Beijing. I say 我是北京人。我 subject 是 to be 北京人 object 我是北京人。 王先生是上海人。我是北京人，你是北京人吗？ Are you from Beijing? 你是北京人吗？你 subject 是 to be 北京人 object To make the statement into a question, add ma at the end of the statement. 你是北京人吗？ Are you from Beijing? 王先生是上海人吗？ Is Mr. Wang from Shanghai? Please listen to the following conversations.
你是北京人吗？
我是北京人。王先生是上海人吗？
我是上海人。
Okay, let's go back to our dialogue.
先生，您贵姓？
免贵姓王，我叫王丽。
我叫罗兰。王先生是北京人吗？
我是上海人。
More practice. 先生，您是王丽吗？
我是王丽。罗兰小姐，你是法国人吗？
我是法国人。罗兰小姐是法国人。你呢？你呢 means and you or how about you? Read after me again. 罗兰小姐是法国人。你呢？Another example. 我是北京人，王先生呢？
我是上海人。
Okay, let's listen to the dialogue in this lesson.
我是上海人。罗兰小姐呢？
我是法国人。
Congratulations! We have covered all the new words and structures in this lesson. Let's summarize them. We learned how to politely ask for someone's surname. 您贵姓 Answer. 免贵姓银 or 我姓银 To introduce your name. 我叫王丽 To ask for someone's hometown. 您是北京人吗？我是上海人。你呢？ Okay, now go back and listen to the dialogue. I believe you will understand them this time.
先生，您贵姓？
免贵姓王，我叫王丽。
我叫罗兰。王先生是北京人吗？
我是上海人。罗兰小姐呢？
我是法国人。
Okay, it's time for a quiz. Fill in the following blanks.先生，您贵姓？
免贵姓王。
王先生，你是上海人吗？
我是上海人。你呢？
我是北京人。 Today, let's learn a little about the Chinese family name. 我姓尹, but it's a very rare surname in China. Then, do you know how many surnames there are in China? Let's listen to a nursery rhyme.
赵钱孙李周吴郑王冯陈楚魏蒋沈韩杨朱秦姚
Each word read by the kids just now is a family name. They come from a book called 百家姓, 100 Family Name. It covers the most common 504 family names in China. Among them, 444 are one-syllable surnames, like Wang, and 60 are compound surnames, like Ouyang. But only 504 surnames in China? No, actually, my surname Yin is not included. In fact, there are more than 5,000 known surnames. Do you want to know what the most common surnames are in China? Li, Wang, Zhang. Do you have any friends who have these surnames? At least now you have a friend who is named Yin. It's me. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about greetings and occupations. See you next time. 再见。